So the third of the vacuums came in. This one was, I think it was $20. Really great price. $20 offer accepted. Then crazy shipping prices, like $6. Reported working, good working condition. Now when I received it, I'd pull the trigger, the blue light would flash. This uses the same charger tip. This is a V7. This uses the same charger tip as the V6 that I got that came with a charger. So this is the SV11. And I just had it on the charger. I forgot to take a video of this blue LED was flashing when you pull the trigger, but I just had it on the charger maybe, probably 10 minutes. So this is reported working correct. I did order out of faith the HEPA kit, so I have that on the way. So the post motor HEPA filter. This was though shown in the photos as is, so this is going to take a little bit of either plastic weld, or I'll probably clean it. I need to vacuum it really well, and then either plastic weld or a plastic epoxy. I might super glue on like a mesh or something over before I put the epoxy. Probably some kind of cloth, I'm thinking. Maybe I have to read about polyester if that would work okay. That's going to be a little challenging, that spot. Make sure I get a good seal with that filter. Otherwise, should be no big deal. So, I might want to do that with the filter removed. But, yeah, this is going to get all vacuum cleaned up. But yeah, it's working. So I need to vacuum clean it. The little charge I put it on seems great. So, other than that beat up head, I mean, that's actually the best priced one I received that actually works. So, I'll have to see what, it looks like this accepts the V6. So I should take those V6 attachments I have. Yeah, so I have to work on that plastic repair. Okay, be safe, stay healthy, and stay cool out there too. And in the meantime, learn something new.